You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech insights. Instagram Ads, a powerful platform for visual storytelling. Instagram Ads offers businesses a robust digital advertising platform designed to connect with a highly visual audience. Seamlessly integrated within Meta's advertising ecosystem, it empowers advertisers to craft precisely targeted campaigns across various Instagram formats, including the feed, stories, explore, reels, and even Messenger. With over 1 billion active users, Instagram provides an ideal environment for businesses seeking to elevate brand awareness, generate leads, and boost sales. One of the platform's key strengths lies in its sophisticated targeting capabilities. Advertisers can pinpoint users based on demographics, interests, online behaviors, and even create lookalike audiences, ensuring that ads reach the most relevant individuals. Retargeting features enable businesses to re-engage users who have previously interacted with their brand. A diverse range of ad formats are available, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, ideal for showcasing multiple products, and shopping ads that facilitate direct purchases from within the platform. Stories and Reels ads provide immersive, full-screen experiences that integrate naturally with organic content. Campaign management is handled through Meta Ads Manager, which offers comprehensive insights and performance tracking. Key metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, and return on ad spend (ROAS) empower advertisers to optimize campaigns for improved results. Instagram Ads also supports automated bidding strategies, leveraging machine learning to maximize performance based on predefined campaign objectives. However, it's important to note that ad costs can fluctuate based on factors like audience targeting and competitive landscape. Achieving high engagement necessitates visually compelling creatives and persuasive copywriting. Instagram Ads is particularly well-suited for businesses that prioritize visual storytelling, such as those in the fashion, beauty, travel, and e-commerce sectors. It's also an excellent platform for influencers and service providers aiming to enhance their visibility. While adaptable for both small and large budgets, success hinges on a well-defined campaign strategy, meticulous audience selection, and high-quality creative assets. In conclusion, Instagram Ads presents a highly effective platform for businesses seeking to capitalize on Instagram's vast user base and high engagement levels. If you're ready to launch impactful ad campaigns, explore the resources provided in the description to begin.